Good day everyone. In our previous chapter, we looked at how do we design a drone frame. Once the frame is designed, the next step would be the selection and putting the motors on the drone. In the current chapter, we will be looking at how do we do a proper selection of motors and what is needed to properly mount the motors on the drone. The selection of the drone motor has an enormous influence on the flight characteristics of the multicopter. Tiny variations in the construction of a motor can result in significant impacts regarding the weight, responsiveness, and total power of the multicopter. In the present lecture, we will start with understanding the role of the motors in drones so as to be clear about what a motor does in a drone. So let's start with the lecture. Let's start with understanding first the basis of motors. The key concept behind the functioning of the DC motors is electromagnetism. The motors intrinsically incorporate the use of an electromagnet as a means of converting electrical energy into kinetic energy. When an electromagnet is electrically charged, a magnetic field is produced. This temporary magnetic field interacts with that of the permanent magnets located within the motor. The combination of attraction and repulsion of the electromagnet or permanent magnet translates into rotational motion of the motor shaft. The motors have a small permanent magnet made from iron and cobalt alloys. Using special alloys in the magnets makes them able to be smaller and lighter. Lithium ion batteries are currently used to power drones as the weight to power storage ratio is better than any other battery. Motors are not just used for propellers but also used in the gimbal to steady cameras. So, what is the role that a drone motor has in the working of the drones? It is the propeller direction along with the drone's motors, rotation, and speed, which makes its flight and maneuverability possible. The quadcopter's flight controller sends information to the motors via their electronic speed control circuits ESC on information on the thrust, RPM, revolutions per minute, and direction. The flight controller will also combine IMU, GPS, and gyro data before signaling to the quadcopter motors on thrust and rotor speed. The motor is positioned immediately under the quadcopter propellers and controls its rotation and speed. Buying a drone motor may sound simple, but in reality, it depends heavily on the type of drone you are building and what you personally want to do with your drone. Having the best drone motors, ESCs, and propulsion system on your UAV will give you longer flight times, exceptional flight stability, and more precise flying. A top quality drone motor will be quieter, have a better cooling system, and will last longer. Drone motors, along with electronic speed controllers and propellers, are the vital components within a drone's propulsion system. These are all critical to the performance and also safe flying of the drone or quadcopter. The main components of the drone motor and propulsion system are as follows: motor stator, motor rotor, windings, bearings, cooling system, electronic speed controllers, ESC updater, propellers, wiring, and arm. Every motor needs to be designed to prevent the buildup of excessive heat, which will damage the motor, the electronic controllers, and the wiring. Many drone control motors are designed using a centrifugal cooling system along with the cooling fins. High-end drone motors like the KDE 10218XF for heavy lifting and long flight drones have an integrated centrifugal fan. For a drone to fly outdoors in all weather conditions, the drone motor and components need to be weatherproof. The motors also need to be protected against dust, debris, and corrosion. Top drone motors and components are permanently bonded and sealed internally. They will have a weatherproof sealant to cover the motor bearings system and the ESCs. Another coating is applied to the drone motor stator. These sealants protect the drone motor, the ESC's wiring, and its circuit from rain, rust, corrosion, and dust. If the UAV is used as an agricultural drone for spraying crops, it will be sealed for protection against the pesticide spray. Following are the benefits of having a good motors on the drones. A single counter-rotating motor provides a significant increase in thrust and reduced complexity compared to dual motor designs. Greater efficiency allows drones to expend up to 20 to 50% less energy to achieve the same thrust, thus extending the capabilities of drone lipo batteries beyond the typical 15 to 20 minutes operations. Up to 49% cooler running leads to more efficient operation with less wasted heat and less wear and tear for the longer life of the motor components. Drones can carry up to twice the payload capacity without requiring extra propeller arms or motor power. Some of the drone motor companies from which we usually order the motors are as follows: AD Direct, T Motor, Cosmac Drone Motor, Hobby King, Hobbycraft, and Crazy Motor. Again, depending on your budget and requirement, you can even go for cheaper drone motors. However, if you are building your motors for a particular operation, it is better to get the drone motors from one of these companies. To summarize the lecture, we looked at the introduction to motors, role of motors in drones, drone motor design, benefits of good motors, and some of the drone companies. In our next lecture, we will look at the different types of motors and the difference between them. Thank you very much.